LinkedIn is insanely useful for every working person, not to mention for every business, entrepreneur, job seeker or student. With more than 650 million users spread through 200 countries, with the United States being the biggest market, over 165 million users. LinkedIn is also the biggest professional social media platform that generates over 80% of global B2B social media leads. If you've never used LinkedIn before, starting out can be a little overwhelming. In this video, I'm sharing with you first necessary steps you should take to start out on LinkedIn. This LinkedIn beginner's tutorial guarantees an easy start and immediately being noticed by recruiters, employers, clients, or any other leads. I'm Marat from EMMOTION, myemotion.com, recruitment agency. Feel free to look me up on LinkedIn once you set up your profile. I worked in HR and in recruitment for over 12 years, and I used LinkedIn nearly from the start. Hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell to continue your professional and personal growth together with me and my channel. Also, thumb up the video if you feel it was useful. So the starting point for everyone on LinkedIn is the step number 1, creating a LinkedIn profile by creating a LinkedIn account. Fill out your email, password, agree and join. Make sure you register with an email you check regularly to be updated with notifications or connection requests you might receive, and your basic information including your full name, phone number, your location, etc. Once your account is created, it's time to fill in the rest of your profile step by step. LinkedIn profile setup is similar to your typical resume: experience and skills section, education, languages, etc. Keep in mind that you can always add details and change your profile again at any time, just by clicking on Edit Profile at the top right side of your profile. Step 2 would be, of course, choosing and uploading the right profile picture. Your profile picture is your business card on LinkedIn. It's how people are introduced to you, and since humans are very visual beings, it affects their first impressions from the start. So, quick tips for your profile picture. Make sure the picture is recent and looks like you. A well-lit, close-up, face shot is the best option. Wear what you would wear to work, ideally smiling and looking into the camera. Recruiters don't go around LinkedIn judging how people look. But it's human nature to have a reaction when we see a photo of someone. So while deciding which picture to use, think if you would hire yourself as an employee or as a consultant just by looking at your picture. Step 3. Customize your headline and make it more than just a job title. Think of your headline as of a business card title. It has to be clear. By default, LinkedIn will place your most recent job title as your headline. You will have to go to your headline, press Edit button, and customize it using words that define your profile and which would make it easier for others to find you. Avoid generic headlines. You might want to take a look at the headline of a few different profiles as an inspiration to make it more than just a job title. There are 120 characters available for you to make your headline stand out. Step 4. Add a background photo and customize your LinkedIn URL. Your background photo is also a visual element at the top of your profile page. It grabs people's attention, sets the context for your profile. It also helps your page to stand out from the crowd and for people to remember it in some way. To change your background photo, click on the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn page. Click on the Edit icon in your intro card. In the pop-up, click on the Edit on the right top corner of your background photo. It even gives you a recommended size for your photo. You can choose any photo or image that you think represents you in some way. If you have a brand, then consider having your company's logo and a short value pitch along with it. Then, customizing your URL on LinkedIn will help you to brand yourself better. It allows you to reference your LinkedIn page easily in your resume, business cards, or any other documents. To do this, click the Me icon at the top of your LinkedIn homepage. Click the Edit Public Profile and URL section. You will find the URL section on the top right corner. Keep it simple. It could be your name, your last name, your business name, etc. Step 5. Add a LinkedIn summary and turn it into your professional story. The first thing to say about your LinkedIn summary is to make sure you have one. So many people still leave this part blank on their LinkedIn profile. Your LinkedIn summary is your chance to tell your own professional story. Listing your skills or the job titles you've had is not enough. Don't be afraid, invest some time into it and turn your summary into a story. Your summary can also give viewers a clear idea what they should do in regards to your profile. There are 2,000 characters available for you to create your summary. I would also recommend adding your email to your LinkedIn summary, if you feel comfortable with it, of course. Because people outside of your network won't be able to see your contact details. So putting your email in your summary will make the contact with you faster during the times that you network or job search. Step number 6. While adding your job descriptions, think accomplishments. Mention accomplishments in your bullet points under each experience or studies you've had. Don't just say responsible for this or responsible for that. Your responsibilities don't say anything about how good you were. What did you actually do? Be specific. This is really similar to the information you should put on your resume. In case if you are also looking into updating your resume, check out my detailed video on resume tips and accomplishments through the card on the right side of your screen once you finish watching this video. Let me give you an example here on what the accomplishments should look like. Increase the department revenue by 15% by acquiring new clients during 2019. Successfully hired and trained 5 new team members. Supervised 2 project teams and 5 marketing projects at the same time while launching a new product range. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think it might be beneficial to. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next video coming up.